So what is going on, everyone? Boss with you here. Welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a purchase of one of the cheapest servers on the market. And let us begin. Firstly, you're going to have to go to this website here. I'm going to be putting all the links in the description. Okay, so what you're going to do is you are going to select what server you want to go for. But usually if I want to do some tutorials like this, I usually can go, let me first close this. I usually want to go for the cheapest, which can actually give you a better look of how it can be testing out. Okay, I'm gonna go for the cheapest one, which is usually $5. So if you launch this website and you have a different view of the currency, you're just going to have to come up here, maybe select euros, or you're gonna have to select GBP, but I usually want to use USD, which helps me convert more in my region. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're gonna have to come here and select the $5. Okay, so when it drops you to this website here, or this page, you are going to have to go here. So if you are maybe doing business or you want to take it for a very long time, you can have to go to the 12 months, which is going to help you to eliminate the setup fees that I have here for 1 month. So the more months you select here, the lesser the setup fees of what you're going to be paying. So if you go for 6 months, you're going to be getting like $3 per year. 12 months, you're going to be getting 0 setup fee, which can be a little bit cheaper. So, but for testing purposes right now, I'm going to go for, you can go ahead and purchase the European version, which is usually best in Germany, but I want to go for the US server as I have a promotion going on here. Okay, so you're going to have to go for the US server here, and you can go for the cheaper one, whatever region that you want to go with. Okay, so you can go here to next. We're going to go for storage type here. Usually I want to go for the NVMe, which is a bit much more smaller, but it is much more faster. Don't get me wrong, if you want to go and use more, you're going to have to go for the 400 GB SSD. So I'm going to go ahead and select the 100 GB NVMe and then scroll down and then go to whatever operating system I want to go for. I want to go for the Ubuntu. Usually I want to go for an older version that is much more stable than the latest version, because actually right now, 2024, the latest version of Ubuntu is Ubuntu 24, but right now these guys take long to post the new versions. They actually tweak them up to make them more stable on their systems. But let me go for the older version, which I know is much more stable. Okay, then you're gonna have to scroll down to the next option, which is login and password. Usually I want to just generate new, and it's going to generate for you a password here that we shall change later. So I'm gonna copy it and then come onto my desktop and save it here and create new test document, and that will be my password. I'm just going to paste it in here, and I'm going to be saving it for now. Okay, so we go back here. You're gonna have to scroll down. So the rest of the options, object storage, you're not going to actually tamper with them unless you want to be using them. For example, the IPv4, you're gonna have to, if you want to add another IP address, it's optional, but if you want, you can go ahead. It's gonna be $4, but we want to go for the cheapest right now. Okay, so what you need right now is just to go to the next button. You can either use this, or you can, so your total is going to be $13 for now. But you're gonna go ahead and press next, because sometimes you usually get onto it where you have promotions and you pay a little bit much less, where the one-time fee is not actually added, but right now it is included. So we're gonna go to the next page here where you have a new Contabo user. So if you already have an account, you are not going to be, you can just go ahead to I'm a Contabo user. But right now, if you have a business, you're gonna have to go to business and then put in your business name here. But right now, private individual, scroll down, go ahead, put in all your names, all your credentials, and go ahead, also put in the postal code. Okay, put in your phone number, which has to start with plus area code 256 or +1 or something. Okay, you're gonna have to go ahead, put in your email. Yes, I would like to subscribe to Contabo Newsletter. I usually want to go ahead and select this because you can get usually emails that have discounts, and you can actually take advantage of them. So you're gonna have to go ahead and press the next button here. So our next option here is gonna be you can either pay via PayPal, or you can also pay via the credit card. But usually I want to go for the credit card, because PayPal is usually actually not my thing anymore. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead use my credit card, and I'm going to be getting back to you after putting in my details. Okay, there you go. After you've put in your card, you're going to be brought onto this page here. And then when you scroll down here, you're going to realize I'm doing this, a total of due today is going to be $13 US. So we're going to go ahead and use the bigger button here on the side, which is going to be order and pay. Okay, so we're going to wait for it to confirm the purchase. Okay, how did you first become a member? Okay, I don't want to know much about this. Okay, you can go ahead and answer. I'm already a contributor. Result search engine. I received personal recommendation. I read a recommendation in the internet. I'm new already, so they will add. Okay, read password. I read a recommendation in the internet. Usually if you're using the link that I've put in the description, you're gonna have to just select this, maybe that, and just go ahead and maybe press OK. So they're trying to get some information from you, exactly what you're going to be using this for, but I'm just going to close this. I don't need it right now. So when you scroll down, you can go ahead and answer everything, but I've already had servers with this guy, so I don't need actually to be using this. I mean, answering everything. So thank you for your order, payment received. So usually your payment and order has been received, currently being provided. Okay, did you get a server? Okay, there you go. So you're gonna have to go and check your email and see what exactly they've sent you. Okay, I'm gonna have to go to my email. Okay, so you can see that I have some new emails that have been sent to me here from Contable. So first, opening the first one. Okay, they're going to tell you that, okay, they've given you login details of your account that you are going to be using in Contable. And next we have, they're going to send you this order form here. Okay, they're showing you how much you've paid. And usually what we're going to be looking for is the IP address that has been given to you, which has not been sent yet. Okay, there you go. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and log into these the credentials that have been given to us, because now it shows that we've created an account with them. So go ahead, and if this is the password that was provided, go ahead and put in the password. You're gonna have to copy and then come in here, just paste in your provided password. So that is how your dashboard is going to look. This is how it's going to appear. And usually you're going to have to just go ahead and look into your services and go down here into VPS control. Okay, see all VPS models. So your account is being set up that they're still creating for you your VPS. So you're gonna have to wait for some minutes or some hours. We shall see how long it's going to take for them to create my account, my VPS, and I'll be getting back to you very soon. Okay, so within your email, you're going to see this green highlighted status here. Okay, order status, you can check the current status of your order at any time. So when you click onto this, you are going to, they're going to tell you your payment order has been received and is currently being provisioned. Okay, expected provision time is going to be, so we've purchased the VPS pace, which is 3 hours. So we're gonna have to wait for over 3 hours, but usually it takes even less than that to be getting. So you can see here it's still in processing. So you're gonna have to we are going to have to wait for like 3 hours, and we shall see. I'll get back to you when my server has been deployed. Okay, so after this, it is taken over like just 5 minutes, but they've sent me an email. So you can see what I was waiting for was your login data. So this is going to be your login data. Okay, so this is what you have. So they've given me, so you can see that I've been given an IP address and I've been given a password. No, the password I already have, so as chosen by you during all the process. So I already have that. So we're gonna have to connect via root, and you're gonna have to download Party. If you don't have Party, you're gonna have to go to this website here. I'm gonna be putting the link in the description. Okay, you're gonna have to go to this website where, okay, we are going to go to the files option, scroll down to software downloads. Okay, so you're gonna have to go ahead and download it from here, this Party. I already have it, so you're gonna have to just go ahead and download, and it is going to load. You're gonna have to maybe launch it from your, from your, just type in maybe Party. If you just installed it, it will come automatically. Then just go ahead and press open. So what we're going to do here is we're going to log in or paste in the details that have been provided to us. So my IP address is this. I'm going to copy it, then come into my Party here. I'm going to close one of them. Okay, I'm going to right click and maybe paste into it, and then you can also paste it here, and then you can save it, so the next time you don't have to put it in again. You just have to double click on it to just launch it. So you can go ahead and open. So you can see that when I close the Party and open it again, I am just going to use the IP address here. Okay, I'm going to just double click on it, and it's going to go into, okay, it's going to bring this message, and you're going to just go ahead and select yes. Go ahead, log in as root. The reason why I'm logging as root is because my username is going to be root, and then my password, so you remember the password that I used was put here. Okay, yes, this one here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Go ahead and maybe you're going to right click to paste into it, then press enter. Okay, so you can see that we have logged into our server. So the first thing you have to do is to change your password, which is going to be passwd. Press enter, enter your password, and then re-enter the password, and then you are good to go. So when you reboot this PC or something and they ask you to log in with your credentials, you're gonna have to use the new password that you've set. And next you're gonna have to just update and upgrade. Okay, we're gonna press enter, and there you go. So those are one of the key things that you have to first do when you buy any server on the internet. You're gonna have to maybe change the password and maybe do an update and upgrade at the first launch of your instance. So that is how you purchase and log into your cheap server with the website that I've showed you. So if you found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section down below. I will appreciate so much if you subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.